These patties are so fun to make. You can use them from your own garden, the vegetables, or you could go to the store and buy whatever vegetables you like. You can use all kinds. And let me tell you something, you can make this pet friendly because, boy, do our little furry friends here love it. So easy to make. Look at this. They're always waiting. As soon as they know they're being cooked, they're there. Use whatever vegetables you have in your garden. If you're going to use your garden vegetables, I use greens from the garden, couple potatoes, and even sometimes the squash that has blossom and rot that doesn't grow. And all you have to do is chop it up really fine, just like this. You can hand grate it, or you can put it in a food processor. Once you do that, add in a little salt and pepper or any spices that you like, a few eggs, and if you want, you can put in a teaspoon of flour of your choice. Then you mix it up really good and you put it on a frying pan, just lightly brush with oil. You make them just like pancakes. You flip them, and this is what you end up with. This is so perfect that you can make them and store them in the refrigerator for a few days, or even freeze them and have them when you're ready to eat them. But let me tell you something, the dogs love them, and you will love them once you try this. Use whatever vegetables that you like, carrots or whatever, and you won't stop making these. They taste so good. And you know what? They're healthy too. Keep the onions out when you're giving them to the dogs. So that's it. So with that, have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. And remember, make these so you'll have them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, a snack in between. And don't forget to make extras for your furry pets and freeze some too. Bye-bye.